Hey, Aluglobus, let's talk about what we got here. We have our railing system here with our molding top. This is a molding top where you can lean on it. Pretty cool. We love this. And it's a 4-inch, so it gives you a place to put your cup. I know you always wanted that. It's a very clean and sleek look. You can do our slat, you can do our laser cut, and don't forget, laser cut, we do any pattern, any design, and any color. That's pretty cool. Nice clean finishes. Very strong system. Everything's integrated, so all of our systems can work together. We can also do a gate next to it if you need. From here, we'll take you to a very nice big bombastic panel, 4x4 heavy duty with some custom ability colors. We can do any color from Tiger or Cardinal. Alu 20, beautiful setup. Our DIY gate system with our two-way support channels, our two-way support hinges, TNG assembly, very clean, very flush. So most of the systems out there, you have some posts coming up and then the cap coming up and then your gate frames coming up. No, we keep it clean, engineered right, the Aluglobus way. And that's what you want for your customer or for your project. This is a beautiful gate that can be built within 2 hours. This is a top frame and you have a bottom frame. A DIY gate system without a frame is a fence with hinges. So we don't believe in that, Aluglobus. Every system that you buy, you will get the correct post for it. So if it's a gate and it's standalone, you'll do 4x4. If it's a fence and you have a gate in between, we'll do a 3x3 heavy duty. If it's a smaller gate, we can go in our two-way channel. And we have two different systems to go about. This is our heavy duty gate system. This is your more robustic, heavier duty. This is all, again, fully framed, same like the other one. And by the way, this is our new white oak. Look how nice that is. Yes, that is aluminum sublimation. So you're not gonna have the wood maintenance that you were thinking. This is our heavy duty gate system, our two-way hinges and our two-way supported 45-degree. This is the heaviest gate in the market by far. So you can do any locks you want. And then obviously posts, we have multiple different posts, press caps, and once again, everything flush, right? Clean cut the way you want it. Moving forward here, we have our louver system partnership and the air louver. This is gonna give you style with no post. Very nice. And obviously I can see out, but you can't see in. Very elegant, very luxury, very nice system. So ask about it, we'll ship you some samples. This is our Ipe TNG for your back privacy walls. Very rigid, very strong, and very, very beautiful. Sublimation wood again. And you can do the same style in a color or black, and you can add laser cuts or plexiglass or real glass as well. 1/4 fittings, so it's really robustic and beautiful. Look at that massive post. That's huge. Look at the sound. You can tell the quality. And everything is flush and clean and beautiful and elegant. This is a system. This is not kits that was bought from some import. And okay, here you go. So Aluglobus is gonna help you with all your needs. Patio, gate, fence, cladding systems at the highest top level possible with the highest capabilities. Shipping down to your doorstep no matter where you are. So if you want systems like this, and by the way, this entire booth is going to one of our vendors in San Diego. So if you want capabilities like this and get leads, relationships, products, all on the floor, every single product here is stocked on the floor. You want to get your projects out, get your Aluglobus distribution and vendor today.